time has come. We're gonna start pulling the corn. About 90 degrees.
Corn, we know it's ready because you have a dark colored dried silk and you have the ears will tend to lean out a little bit. So we're harvesting what we can, and some of these are just a little runt like this one. We'll leave them on there and maybe they'll grow a little more, maybe they won't. And if they don't, we'll harvest them and share them with the chickens. I wanted to look real quick. I think I am done with it.
So we planted how many months ago?
It was May, probably middle of May.
So we planted in May. We used an organic spinosad to ward off corn worms, but we did get it in the ground early. So we don't know if the spinosad or getting it in the ground so early was helpful, but it sure is something to think about, this all being brown soil, and here we are. We had some for dinner tonight and it was delicious. What variety is this?
Bodacious RM.
Bodacious RM. Enjoying the harvest already.